Hi guys, so today what I want to show you is how I achieved this look, which is yellow eyes and red lips. I also wanted to show you how I got my hair like this after I took my hair out of the braids from my previous video that I did, and I'll put a link somewhere here so you can see that. So I just want to waste no time and just jump right into it. All the products that I used in this video will be listed and labeled throughout the video, so keep an eye out for that, and just sit back and enjoy the video. Oops, I almost forgot to put my concealer down before I put the color. The best way to get your light, bright colors to pop is by putting a base underneath it. So I just put my LA Girl Porcelain and Warm base underneath my yellow color in order to make that yellow pop really well. I used just a random mascara that I had laying around. I would have usually used my Maybelline one, but I just couldn't find it at the time. This one I believe is Revlon. So that does it for the makeup, and now moving on to hair. Just really briefly, I just want to show you how I would take all my rubber bands out. I'm just going to clip them with some scissors, and I'm going to do that all over my head, so pretty simple, and take down the braid starting with the ends and working my way all the way up. And if you guys are interested in seeing what products I use, check out my previous video where I show you exactly what I put in my hair, and I'll put the link somewhere in this area as well. And just part it where you like, and that's it, guys. I really enjoy making makeup tutorials, especially when I can add a little hair in there. Hair is definitely my first love. If you guys are interested, please check out my social media. It is at KayDee TV on Instagram if you're interested in seeing photos and pictures of this hairstyle just out and about. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!